Okay, I think we're live. Go ahead, Elise.
Okay. So the first problem, you have to find the measure of angle SRB if the measure of angle SRQ is 176 degrees and the measure of angle BRQ is 109 degrees. Mom, I'm doing homework. So the way I did the problem was, so the sum of this entire angle is 176, and then the sum of the angle up here is 109, which means that the angle here difference between 176 and 109. Do subtraction. Then your angle for the measure of SRB would be 67 degrees.
Okay, I got the same thing, and I did the same method.
Yeah, I did the exact same thing too.
I don't think
I didn't actually, so go with that.
Okay, number 2.
Okay. So, hold on. Number 2 says, explain how to construct a perpendicular bisector. Sketch a diagram with the appropriate markings. So that's my sketch, and the steps are to put the compass halfway past the segment. You draw an arc, and then you keep the size and switch ends. And then the 2 intersecting points here and there is where the line goes through, and that makes all angles 90 degrees.
Yeah, I did the same thing. Elise, I think your mic is off.
My steps are like almost identical to that.
Yeah, same.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, number 3. So it said draw a diagram that represents the following description. I don't have my phone, so I don't know if you can see that. Yeah. Okay. So I have angle or line AB parallel to line CD. That's like the main one. And then I have line BD, which is perpendicular to CD. And then it's like going in between the parallel lines. And then B, which is the midpoint of line ED or line segment ED, is a point off of the whole construction with a line through it that has B as the midpoint and D as its other endpoint.
That's exactly what I have.
Yeah.
What should we do for discussion?
I guess if you did it a different way, because I know that I kind of got confused at first on this one, and I had it drawn completely differently, and then I had to think it over again, and it made more sense because they all had some of them had similar points, and so you had to have with line ED with the midpoint of B. I was really confused how to do that one, and so originally I had it completely off the whole thing, and then the perpendicular BD to CD was really confusing for me. I don't know if it was just to me, but
the one thing that I think that I could have been more successful if I did this before. I was look at my vocabulary again and know for sure.
Yeah, I did that too. Yeah, I didn't look at my book until right after.
I just looking first glance at the problem. I completely my eyes just passed over the perpendicular sign between AB and CD, and I had to reread it a few times to comprehend what it actually said.
Yeah. Okay. And then Jacob, you're doing number 4, correct?
Yeah. Well, I don't know if I did it correctly or not. I was never really good at any of this, but I don't know. I don't have a phone, so see how well this works.
Okay.
Can you guys see it?
A little up. There. Yeah.
All right. So I did the triangles inside the whatever shape that is, and got like the little boxes there. Then I did like the half times 4 times 6 for each of those, and then got those answers, added them up, plus that little box in the center there, and I got like 44.5. I wasn't sure how to do the area for the half circle, so I didn't really remember how to do that. But the perimeter, I did the 4 squared plus 6 squared and 6 squared plus 3 squared. I did all that again, and I got like 26.7, I think. I don't know if it's right. And then I looked back at my notes for the perimeter of a circle, and I don't know if it's correct or not, but I did 7 squared plus 3 squared again, and I got the square root of 58, and then I got 7.63, so I just added that to the 26, and I got 34.32. I don't know if it's correct or not. So.
I know what I did. Actually, I think mine's wrong, so I think I accidentally flip-flopped area and perimeter.
Well, you said that you didn't know how to do the area of the circle.
Yeah.
Well, like the formula for a full circle is pi times the radius squared. So if you were finding the area of a half circle, it would just be pi times radius squared.
Right.
Mm-hmm. And then the perimeter for a circle is diameter times pi, and then you just times 0.5 or divide by 2 in order to do just like a semicircle.
Right. So, who knows if they got the right answer or not? Does anyone?
I'm pretty sure I did mine wrong too.
Right.
I didn't have my notebook with me on accident,
Right.
so I don't know. Elise, what answers did you get? Because I want to make sure.
I got the same ones as you.
Okay. So then I'm.
Yeah, so I think those might be right unless I made the same error.
You know what answers you got?
Yeah, I'm not sure if I did it right either.
Okay. Anybody want to discuss any of the other problems?
Well, for the first problem,
Mm-hmm.
I thought of it kind of as like supplementary angles at 180 degrees. Like, you almost had to like substitute 176 for 180 and then use like the similar.
Yeah. Wait, why did you have to substitute 180 and 176?
So, like, I thought of it as finding like the measure of one of the supplementary angles, except like the measure of the main angle was 176 instead of 180.
Oh, okay, I got it. I get it. Yeah.
Yeah, that was my thought process as well.
Yeah. Okay. Anything else?
Anything else?
No?
Nope.
Okay. Podcasting.